guys, good morning and welcome to day 2 at FL2K22. 2022. I'm here with the Supra, and the first thing I'm working on first thing in the morning, like I mentioned, is the hood latches. At this point, I've gone ahead and evenly measured on both sides, drilled. I got these pieces already inserted. I don't even know what these things are called. I have this like white chalk. This thing actually blew up in my little bag where I keep all my drill stuff, and it dirtied everything. But anyhow, I put this on the top of there. Bam, bam, bam. I laid the hood down. I now have marks to go ahead.
By chance, do you have any fuses?
I doubt it.
10 or 15, anything like that? Yeah.
No, my electrical stuff is minimal, and this is a brand new trailer. I didn't bring any of that stuff over. I definitely don't.
Same thing. I usually keep stuff, but a fuse.
Guys, there's no better feeling than helping racers at the racetrack. But when it comes to electrical stuff, I got nothing. I got a few little butt connectors, minimal stuff. Anyhow, I've gone ahead and marked the top of the hood. Now I'm going to drill through the top of the hood right here and over on that side. I brought this pink rag just to kind of cover the engine bay. Holy freak, I'm flinging this white stuff. Look at that. Gotta be careful with this. Throw this shit back outside. All right, anyhow, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Let me get to drilling. There's roll racing happening now. They should call us up for tech inspection for drag racing later today. There's no drag racing happening today at all. Let's continue to get the car ready. All right, guys, if there was one task for the car I was hating having to do, was these hood pins. I don't mind cutting through the carbon. It's too precise. Something I'm not familiar with. It's time consuming. It's something, I just got the hood latches recently, but that's because I ordered them last minute. I really was hating having to do this. And today, as I start working on this project, God blessed me with Danny. You guys will meet Danny in a little bit. He's a race family member. He came by to say hello. And he works on carbon for a living. This guy's very familiar with doing work like this. So he's been over here lending me a hand. Race family, meet Danny, baby. God sent him. He showed up with a real street shirt. Own Supras. This is the guy. Oh crap. Oh, carbon going on my face. Oh shit. Danny, you're nuts. You saw this man just caught the wheel with his hand. I told you I had the right man for the job. Yeesh. My delicate hands, I would have lost a finger. Let's go. Oh, they said to take off this test and tune thing. Oh, that's easy. Why didn't that person take it off? Comes off right away. I told Danny earlier, I was like, oh, careful with the carbon dust. That crap will get you itchy. He's like, oh, it's not a problem with me. This dude cuts carbon and does this type of work. He's got his own company with employees and so on and so forth, but he does this for a living. He's super familiar with carbon. Me, on the other hand, I put my sweatpants on today because I did not want to get that itch. Every time I work with carbon, I'm like scraping my legs for days at a time. I hate it. Came to get something, I already forgot what it was.
Both of them are qualifying, left side by 1.5 miles an hour, right hand side by almost 3 miles an hour. Fratello was the higher qualified car at number 7.
There's family, you can tell I got kids. We got that, we got a skateboard over here. We got, I don't even know what these things are called, but my little girl loves playing this. My wife draws it up and she hops around. All right, so this is gonna be an interesting part of the video. All right, let me say the hood pins are in. Let me talk about that because that's where the video left off. Total nightmare. Had it not been for Danny was his name, I probably would have, like, I don't even know, slammed the hood on the ground, thrown a hammer through it. You got to be very patient to do a task like that, which is why I kept putting it off, even ordering them. And they finally came in before the event, and I was like, yeah, I'll do them at the event. You know, ugh, what a mess. They came out nice. Danny's very freaking meticulous. He does this type of work. We took our time. We placed these little things in the right spots. It closes super tight now, so no more fear of it flying open. So So it came out awesome. I like how it is now. I'm glad it's done and over with. But doing it, I'd rather not talk about it anymore. Ugh. I feel like I have carbon dust stuck in my throat and my nose. Ugh. Anyhow, this is gonna be an interesting part of the video. A few minutes ago, I met up with Cooper Bugatti. Cooper Bugatti lives near PST. PST is a really huge dry shaft company that makes badass performance dry shafts. Here, give me a second, I'm carrying something. The dry shaft I'm holding here is a PST chrome moly dry shaft. It's worked awesome for us. We've gone 730 on that multiple times, 740s, 50s. Everything I've ever accomplished since I went TH400 has been on this shaft. However, you guys know I'm on a carbon fiber high, and your boy had to get a carbon fiber shaft. So I rung up PST again, and I placed an order for all carbon fiber dry shaft. This thing, I quickly opened the box, kind of just peeked in. It looks badass. So I can't wait to get it installed. And I brought my scale with me. Let's see, I'm curious. I mean, I don't expect there to be big weight savings, but this is rotating weight, so probably a couple pounds should be good, I guess. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. So it was expensive, but we got it. Let's do it. All right, so let's throw this on the scale first and see what it weighs. Let's see. There it is, 0 pounds. Let's throw the dry shaft on there. I probably can't put it like this. Maybe I can. Shit's pretty heavy. Is it? It's hitting the ground? No, I think it's. All right, I can actually move it a little more this way. There. 21.6 ounces. So it's fully hovering on the scale. 21.6 ounces. Let's pull the carbon one out, check it out, and then throw it on the scale. And then I'll get back under the car, put it in. With these cars, you never finish, especially when you build them the week before the race. I've been doing miscellaneous things all day to it. There's still things I keep thinking of. I should check this, I should do that. So I'll probably be working on it all night, but it'll be ready for tomorrow. All right, so here is our shaft. Come on. Woo, look at this. You can already see the carbon work, man. Carbon with like aluminum tips. Shit's nice. All right, let me get like a cutter to cut those things. What were you asking me? Doesn't it look like carbon fiber?
No.
Doesn't it look like the hood?
No.
Come look at it up close. Oh, it is lighter. Race fam, this thing is light. Yeah, baby, it is carbon fiber. It looks a little different, but it is. Look, look. All right. So,
You film.
no, you film. You're doing awesome.
No, I don't.
All right, give it to my mom.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
I get that.
Guys, shout out PST. So this is who we get the dry shaft from. Precision Shaft Technologies. Oh wait. All right, the PST stands for Precision Shaft Technologies. That makes sense. All right, here's the shaft. This is also a thicker shaft than the whole other one that we had. No way. No way. That's half. I don't. What was that again? I already forgot. Well, wasn't that 26? I already forgot. I already forgot the numbers, Rachel. I gotta start again from the beginning.
This one's gonna count. Number 8 right side. Number 4 left side. Down. Side. 5 side.
We're like 2 or 3 ounces from 8 pounds. That's a big deal. I think. No, it is a big deal. Do it. All right, enough talking. I gotta get to work. You guys know the deal. The new shaft, it's a little longer because truthfully, that first one, I measured it before Texas 2K like 2 years ago. We did it in a rush. PST accommodated me and gave me the shaft next day. Like, they did it fast. It was such short notice that that's why I didn't do the whole carbon shaft back then. But you guys saw it here, 21 pounds compared to 13 pounds. So 8 pounds pretty much in weight savings. And again, that's rotating weight. If you're not familiar, that's like having lighter shoes. That's what I'm talking about, my ute. All right, I'm gonna get it installed.
Then Nemo looking to get the job done in that twin turbo Camaro. Fastest 6th gen Camaro in the world right there with LT4 power.
Yep, he has been 8-0s. He's looking for a digit 1 spot lower. He wants 799 and is hooked up good here.
Nice pass for Justin, but look at Pedro in the left lane getting the job done.